Hi, I'm Derek, and a little while ago my neighbor accidentally shot my garden hose with an arrow. I swear I'm not making this up. He literally shot my hose with a bow and arrow. He was extremely apologetic, and he told me about it before I found it on my own. I bought this hose around March this year, so it's pretty new. And I still remember that while hose shopping, I noticed that they sell repair fittings. I needed to go to Home Depot anyway, so while I was there I picked this up and took some photos of their other repair options. You can get the faucet end, attachment end, or a splice. They come with a barbed fitting to fit into the hose and either a band style hose clamp or a 2-section clamp that screws together. I prefer the band style clamp because it can always be tightened again if the fitting starts leaking, while the 2-section clamp can only be tightened until the two pieces of metal contact each other. And I think the band hose clamp applies slightly more even pressure all around the hose. Of course, if I was doing an attachment end that was going to be near my hands when I use the hose, then I'd definitely go for one of those 2-section clamps because these band clamps can be somewhat hazardous to your skin. And in this case, this splice is going to be pretty close to the faucet end of the hose, so I don't need to worry about it being near my skin too much. Since I already have this splice fitting with the band clamps, all I need to do is cut the leaky section out of the hose, slide the band clamps over the hose, slide the hose onto the barbed fitting, and then tighten down the hose clamps over the barbed fittings. So let's do it. So if your garden hose leaks for any reason, these fittings, which are sold in most stores that sell hose, can be used to fix it. It would probably be a good practice to cut these a little bit shorter with the Dremel and also try to leave a dull edge on them. I feel like that'd make a good chew toy for a dog. I really just put that in my mouth?